Alright guys, welcome. Um, so yeah, we should be live by now, right? Let me just check guys. Yeah, we are live. So welcome to the future people who are going to be watching it on YouTube. Welcome guys. So today we'll be working on the email system, and in the last stream we kind of got stuck in the pricing thing. We were trying to do the full integration in the last stream and it wasn't working. So let me just see if I can open that up for you guys. Subscriptions integration. Coda 45, welcome man. You are the first one, congratulations. So yeah, in the last one we were trying to do full integration and it wasn't working. Finally today first, yeah man, today I got a little bit late in starting the stream, but yeah, thank you guys for waiting. So yeah, show details for subscription. If we open it up, we were getting kind of stuck on this one because it wasn't working even though we weren't doing anything wrong. So I figured out what we are doing wrong. So we'll quickly fix this subscription thing and then we'll go on to learn how to send emails. So yeah, we'll be working on that today. Aryan, welcome. Coda 45, I don't think so because I have to work. So like my sister got married like recently. So I have to go through all the pictures and stuff, and I have to work on that today because we are getting like an album made and stuff of that. So I'll be busy with that today a lot. And there are a lot of pictures, so like I have to go through them, like a lot of them with my mom and dad, so it's gonna take a long time. Thumbnail of this video too good. Aryan, thank you. I mean, here's the thing, right? I was thinking like, why am I so serious like on this stream, right? Because like in real life I'm pretty like joking all the time. I'm like, okay, let's not try to be like a lot professional. Let's try to have fun with the thumbnail and a lot of things, right? Just be a little bit more casual. Because in real life I'm like a lot more like joking all the time, making weird jokes, making people uncomfortable. Karthi, Python versus Java. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Karthi. I'll probably use Python, but one of my best friends, he actually uses Java and he's really good at it. So like depends upon what you want to go with. I would rather go with Python to be very honest, because like in the future you'll be learning a lot of like libraries for machine learning and stuff, and in Java you just can't do machine learning and natural language processing. I mean, you can do, but it's just a lot of work. While as in Python, like Python I think is the future. Like Java is for like, you know, you're like making your base kind of strong. If you want things done quickly instead of like getting things easier, right? For example, Java will take less time, like while executing a program, it might take 1 second, and Python might take 1.5 or 2 seconds, right? But if the speed doesn't matter, then Python is the winner. Hi from Pakistan, Wakar, welcome. Pahal, Python is the best. Yeah man, east or west, Python is the best. Python has a library for everything. True. I mean, I was just checking out these different libraries, and I think I stumbled upon this library called newspaper. So you can basically, using that library, you can scrape any kind of website, like any kind of news website, and it will automatically scrape it for you, and it's very easy. Sunil, love from Nepal, welcome Sunil. Yeah, I've been thinking about going to Nepal, man. Like visiting all the mountain areas and everything. Wow, that was a good sneeze. That was a very satisfying sneeze. I was just holding it in and it just came out. Man, that was a good sneeze. I don't know what's irritating my nose. Yeah, probably like the cold weather in Nepal. I got sneezed from. Please upload software testing video. Alright, makes sense. I can do some testing videos. Pahal, I don't know man, maybe, hopefully. Sneeze is a good sign? Man, not during Corona man. I don't know if it's a good sign or not. But if I was sneezing in public, people would be like, what the? Hayden, welcome man, welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. I don't think I guess I'm seeing you regularly, but nice to see you man. Yeah, so these days I hope you guys are safe and wearing like masks. Like I've started noticing, because lockdown has ended, right? Everybody has stopped wearing masks and stuff. Like that's the least you can do. Like if you go out, just wear a mask. Like it's not a very big deal. Like if you are running and stuff, I guess I understand. But Karthi, I'm from India. Gokul, hey man, welcome. Today there are new people in the stream. Yeah, I see a little bit of new people. Maybe because I started the stream at 8:30 instead of 8. Maybe that's why. I saw in one of your videos I have Sulaiman voice, so I have to swallow. I'm pretty sure it was one of my like oldest videos, because at that time I was just starting with YouTube and I didn't give a like single shit. I was like I'm just gonna say whatever I want. I'm pretty sure it's in the Kinta series, logical. I saw one of your videos. You told I have saliva in my mouth, so I have to swallow. That's so funny. Man, I need to get back to doing all that funny stuff. I mean, it's weird, but it's also funny at the same time, right? Somil, hello. Welcome, Somil. Welcome. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Yeah, we have waited a long 5 minutes already, so let's get started. So yeah, in the last video, we were trying to like show subscription details. So we were kind of sending this request, and basically it required like the subscription ID which we were getting, and it also required this access token, right? So in the basic integration, there was a way to get our access token. So let me just go back. Also started with the Kinta GUI music player. Yeah, man, that series has helped so many people, and it was, I think, in terms of like me being professional, that's the worst series that I made, the Kinta one. But it's just like so much to learn in that series. Like it was just like satisfying my own curiosity, like as to how to build a music player. So every day I used to learn something about building a music player, and I just used to like teach it, and I was doing it very casually. Your laugh is contagious. Thank you, Hayden. Thank you. So yeah, in the last video we were looking at how to get an access token, and over here we got like an idea of how to get like an access token, like over here, right? You make this call and you get an access token, and we were getting an access token. So for example, where is our PayPal.py file? Yeah, so we were getting an access token, but what I realized, but this get sub details wasn't working, even though we were doing everything right. So I was just like stumped, right? So what I realized, what this access token is not correct. So because if we go to our accounts over here, I was getting the access token of this build with Python app over here, and this build with Python app, as you can see, has a personal account. But to get an API, like because we are doing business over here, we need a business account. So if you go to default application, you will see that it has a different it has a different client ID, and it has a business account. So if we use the client ID of this one, and if we use the secret of this one, it should be okay. So what I've done is that I've replaced the client ID with this client ID, and I've replaced the secret. And again, these are fake, guys. This is just a sandbox one, sandbox API credentials. So they are not live credentials. Like off the stream, I'll just be changing them to live ones, but it's very insecure to show the real ones. So anyway, I replaced the CID and the client ID and the secret with the text that was given over there, and it just started working. Like it was like not a problem. And inside this views.py file, what we have to do is that first we are getting the access token, and then we are getting the subscription details. So if you see over here in the example that they have given, so subscription details, if everything goes correct, we should be getting this JSON over here, right? And this JSON has this status of active, and what also we need is this outstanding balance. So after a user has paid, then the value should be 0 over here, right? Molested can of beans, welcome. Hello sir, hello. How are you? I'm great, man. How are you? Did you say OnePlus 80 stream? Not really, man. I have a OnePlus 5T. I want to update it to 80 because I play this game, Call of Duty Mobile, and it is getting this huge like update. So it's gonna be like running on 120 Hertz display, and on my OnePlus 5T there is only like 60 Hertz, and on OnePlus 80 there is like 120 Hertz supported. So I just want to like play that game well. So that's why I was thinking of updating it to 80, but I'm not really that crazy about like cool phones or anything. I just do basic stuff on it. If you watch the YouTube channel called Danny, you should make content like him. Maybe I'll check him out. Ashish, welcome. Hi bro, welcome. So yeah, we have to check these two things. Status is active, and the outstanding amount should be 0 after the user has paid. And if these two are true, only then we make sure that the user gets subscribed. So what we are going to do is we are going to write the code for it, and then we are going to test it out whether it actually works or not. So in details, we should be getting this like JSON stuff, right? So what we are going to do is Yeah, so first we are gonna get the status, I guess. So this is like a simple JSON, right? So what we are gonna do is we are just gonna write status equals to, and then we are just gonna use our details, and then inside this we can just write status, and this should give us the status value. Easy stuff. And then to get the outstanding amount, so if we go to outstanding, outstanding underscore amount equals to, then we can just do, so for example, if we go over here, right? So first of all, it's where is it? Where is our outstanding amount? Where is our outstanding amount? Okay, this is the ID, this is the subscriber stuff, this is the billing info. So right, so first we have to get the billing info, that we have to go inside the outstanding balance, and then we have to get the value. And you can see that this is in 0.00, so this is probably float. So first we need to convert it to, because this is a string, so first we need to convert it into a float, and then maybe an integer, and then we can check if its value is 0 or not. And that's how we are going to do it. So first let's make sure we don't make any spelling mistakes like noobs. So yeah, first things first, we need to get the we need to get the billing info, right? So I'm just gonna copy this from here, paste this inside billing info, and then we need to get the outstanding balance. So we'll go inside our billing info, and we are gonna copy this text of outstanding balance. All right, so we're gonna get this outstanding balance. Let's make sure that inside quotes, and then we need to go inside and get the value. So we are gonna do the basically the same thing, and we also need to put yeah, we just need to get the value now. So we are gonna write value, right? And then we need to convert it into a float. So we are gonna write float. Let's make sure the spelling of float is correct. So this will be a float, right? The outstanding amount, and then we need to convert it into an integer finally. So I can just do this, outstanding amount equals to int, and outstanding amount. Like I can probably do this on the same line, but it just makes it easier for me to see later what I'm doing over here. All right, so we have our status, we have our outstanding amount. So now we can just put an like if condition of both of them. So I'm just gonna write if outstanding amount is equals to 0 and status equals to active, right? So let's just see how they have written active over here. Status is active. Let me just copy this. This is in capital and single quotes. We'll just put this, and if these both are true, only then subscribe the user, right? And if these both are not true, then like I think we need to, like for example in our pricing.html, there should be like if the create subscription. So there are some methods for canceling what happens if it doesn't go through. So we'll actually have a look at that. But for right now, I guess this is all right. Let's go inside our, where is our pricing? Inside our views. So if the outstanding amount is 0 and the status is active, then we need to subscribe the user. So actually I'm also going to print all this stuff out on the screen so that we can properly see what's happening behind the scenes. So let me just print these stuff for right now. So we are going to print the details so that we know what details we are getting. Then on the next line, we also want maybe like the status, right? And we also want to print out, why is this showing me an error? No, it's not. So, and then at the last, we also want this outstanding amount. This should be 0 if it paid correctly. All right, let's make sure. All right, everything is looking good. So now let's run it. Let's make sure that our server is running. All right, looking good. Now let's go to our PayPal, make a new account over here. Dope thumbnail, bro. Thank you, creation. Which state you are in currently? I'm in UP, but usually I'm in Karnataka, in Bangalore. Database connection on Kiwi MD. Maybe I'll do it. A lot of people have been asking for it, so maybe I'll do it. Is it me or this minus? Hello, there is PHP needed to do WordPress. Making a decent tech blog. I mean, not really. You don't need PHP for WordPress. You just need WordPress. Is the video buffering? Is the video lagging? I don't know. Maybe it is, because it says in my YouTube that YouTube is not receiving enough video to continue streaming. That sucks. Hello, yeah, you can simply convert it in from string. Yeah, like I don't know, man. Bro, I request you to watch I'm not gonna watch it right now, man. I need to work. Is Heroku the best? I don't think so. It's the best, Sawmill. I think DigitalOcean is the best, but I think you will get copyright. True. I don't know if is the video lagging or not. Let me just open up my door so that maybe the video gets a little bit better. Alright, so what we are gonna do, I mean, nobody answered whether the video is lagging or not, so I don't really know whether the video is lagging. Dhruv, welcome, no worries. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just create a new account, and this time maybe we'll create an Indian account. You know what? Let's change it up and click on create. No worries, man. Dhruv, studying is important. Can you make a video on competitive programming? Way to start, way to practice. That makes sense. Maybe I can, Deepan. Sawmill not lagging. Okay, perfect. Sandbox account was created successfully. Nice. So we are just gonna copy this account and let's actually see the password first so that we can test it properly. And this is our, so currently this account is not enrolled. This is perfect for us. Alright, so let's go back over here. No, where is our account? Alright, so let's copy this and let's pay through PayPal. Alright, and now let's just paste our email and let's also paste our system generated password. Where is our pop-up? Yeah, there it is. Let's paste this baby in. Let's log in. And hopefully everything should. Can you make videos on algorithms? Do you guys want me to make videos on like data structures and algorithms and stuff? I don't know. I mean, Python makes it very easy to do data structures and algorithms with packages and stuff, but do you guys want me to like, please go to merchant and try. We weren't able to process your payment using PayPal account this time. I think like there is some problem. I have to like do the KYC or something for Indian accounts. So like I'll do that behind the scenes, but for right now we'll just try out maybe a US one. I think I have to do the KYC for it. That's why it's not accepting local payments, if I'm not wrong. Let's try the US one. Alright, let's go over here, view edit account. Today is actually pretty hot, surprisingly. Alright, give us account, bro. Why are you lagging? Binary tree confuses me. It will be helpful if you make a video on that. Okay. Maybe we can do a series of that, like of different data structures. I don't mind, but I don't know if enough people will be interested in it. The US account has been created. Let's check it out. Alright, let me just copy this, go to our account again. Where is our account? PayPal subscribe. Ishan, welcome to the stream. I should keep like a towel or something because I get like sweaty a lot on stream because I can't switch on the AC because of the audio. I don't like machine learning because there is maths, man. Dude, to be honest, what's happening? We weren't able to process your payment using your PayPal account this time. I'm pretty sure this is happening because we need to I'm already logged in as like Athreya, so I probably need to go to my this again and log in through an incognito window. Maybe that's why it's happening. Maybe it's just a PayPal problem. I have no idea, but let's actually try it out. I don't know what's happening. I'm pretty sure this is on the PayPal side or not on our side. So let's try actually the Indian account again. Interesting. Alright, let's go and log in through this one. BTS K-pop, welcome. Right, let's log in. What are we doing today? So today we'll be working mainly on the email system, but I just wanted to get the pricing done a little bit. So yesterday we were having some problems in the pricing. So today we are just getting that done. And then we'll move on to the emails. Right, so wait, it's processing. We weren't able to process your payment using your PayPal account this time. Please go to merchant and try out a different payment method. I think this is just a PayPal problem, to be very honest. I don't think this is my problem, and it should be fixed automatically by PayPal, because I'm pretty sure this is not on my site, because I just tried it out today and it was working fine. So I think this is just a PayPal problem. Let's try it out with a different account. BTS K-pop, I read your text, man. I'm gonna time you out. Yeah, Paul, I don't like machine learning because there is maths. You were telling something. Oh yeah. So basically, in machine learning, if like for practical machine learning, there are already like a lot of. Okay, this is just crazy. What the heck is happening? Like, what the heck? I think just sandboxpaypal.com currently is not working. This is not like a problem on my side, I'm pretty sure. Because I haven't really changed anything, and I'm not even doing anything over here. It's just like giving me an error. Yeah guys, so I think we'll work on this like later, because it's just like I'm pretty sure it's a PayPal problem. So we'll work on this later and we'll get started on email. Oh, maybe my session is about to expire, that's why. Nah, it can't be that. It's not even allowing me to like open this up. What microphone do you use? Like right now I'm using my Logitech's like webcam's microphone. But is my internet working or not? Not sure. Is my internet working fine? Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, I'm not even doing anything. It's just automatically logging me out for some reason. Did I make any changes to our pricing? I don't think so, right? Yeah, I haven't made any changes over here. So this should work fine. I mean, I'm just gonna try it out one more time. Session ID. I mean, it's automatically logging me in for some reason. Let me just go to sandbox, sandbox.paypal.com. Pahul, I already answered your question, man. How much do you earn from live streaming? I mean, I don't think I earn anything from live streaming, Somil, to be very honest. Like literally nothing. But it's fun to do. Just kind of stumped as to why it's not working. Ayush, welcome. No worries, man. Why is it logging me in automatically? Alright, let's try it out again on an incognito window this time. I mean, I think I'll be moving on from this, and like let's build emails today. So let me just log in first. Atria, build with Python center. The mic in your videos, the mic that I use, Devesh, is Samsung Go. It's pretty cheap and it's pretty good. Yeah, ask Elon Musk. No, bro, the PayPal again interrupted. What do you mean, Pahul? I have no idea what you mean. Yes, use incognito tab. Yeah, that's what I think. Let's see if it logs us in here also. It doesn't log us in, which is nice. And now let's try and use one of these, maybe this one. I think there is some problem on the PayPal side. It's not a problem on our side, I'm pretty sure, but I'm just like kind of like thinking like what's going wrong, because I'm not ready to believe like on PayPal something is going wrong. Because I just kind of checked it out today evening, so it should be working. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Is it giving us an error over here or not when we are trying to pay through PayPal? I don't see an... What is this? Yeah, I don't see an error. Okay, so it is working. I'm pretty sure the problem was with PayPal, I think, for some time. So we are going to agree and subscribe. Sorry guys, it just took a little bit of time to figure what was going wrong. Like even I tried incognito before, it didn't work, but suddenly it just started working. I don't know why. I don't... Alright, so the payment has been done. So we should be redirected to the courses page. And yeah, we are getting the tokens over here. We are getting... Dude, are you freaking kidding me? I actually printed out these strings instead of these variables. But anyways guys, I mean like a person got subscribed, so I'm actually, let's also try out with an Indian account. I'm curious like whether it will work with an Indian account or not. And let's actually, we can try out the like unsubscribe thing that we created. So over here is our unsubscribe thing. So what we are gonna do is, so this have we created the deactivate one? So yeah, this is the access token, this is the sub ID, and then we go to unsubscribe and we delete it. So let's actually see what we can do over here is the cancellation doesn't give us anything, it just gives us a status code, but we can actually see whether it's working or not. So we can just click on unsubscribe and this should unsubscribe us. Alright, so we have been unsubscribed, but we also have to check whether we have been actually unsubscribed or not. So we'll go to sandbox.paypal.com and we'll log in with our business account over there. Come on, open up. And my mom has come back, so I have to like close the door again. Just hold on a sec, guys. Mom, keys वहाँ रखी हैं. Keys वहाँ रखी हैं. Alright, so let's go to our business account and let's see if the user has been actually unsubscribed. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is working, so I'm not gonna actually go like and print it out again. It's just like pretty sure it's working. But let's actually check out you can see that we get a 204 code over here. That means we have been successfully unsubscribed. But let's actually go and have a look at our PayPal sandbox account. Sandbox. So over here we are just gonna log in with our business account. This one, system generated password. Copy and paste this baby over here. So after this, guys, let's go and check our planning.md, like where do we stand, like what things we have to do still. So we are gonna do this thing today, right? And income reply, add the formatting options, no delete button when you reply on somebody's comment, okay. And PayPal objective sub time on student database, so we have to add that. Make sure that the approval is secure. API call to PayPal plus billing amount is 0. So we just did this right now, so we can now remove this one from here. Unsubscribe from our website, delete student model, and call to PayPal that the user has unsubscribed. We also just did this right now. So now only 4 tasks remaining of payment. Subscribe date plus 30 days when you do live instead of sandbox. This is the last one, so we don't need to worry about this right now. So yeah, let's actually check our dashboard. So the person should have unsubscribed over here. Why the hell is the thumbnail like that? Because I don't know, I was just feeling very chill today. Ayush? How to switch between screens? I've already done that, man. If you watch it, watch the videos. I've already done those videos, BTS. Like, I don't know why you are asking that in the chat. I made a robot. Man, I'm gonna like block you, man. Is there a block option over here? All right. So yeah, let's go back. Man, you're really talented. Thank you, Vibor. Thank you. Thank you. So ready to ship. Where is that activity? Activity. All transactions. I don't know why my internet is so slow today. Like nothing is opening quickly. Yeah, I did that, man. Ayush, I just did that. I mean, it's not showing it over here for some reason. Oh, I can actually give refund to people from here. That's actually pretty cool. Transaction, payment sent, refunds. Where are the refunds one? Sorry, where are the unsubscription ones? That the user is unsubscribed. I'm not able to see it. Did I log in through a correct account? I think so. How much it costs for Wi-Fi is pretty cheap. It's like I think I have the Wi-Fi of like $9.99 or like $15. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure it's working even though it's not showing it over here right now. Like it's not even showing any of the unsubscriptions ones. So I don't know where that went over here. But I'm pretty sure it's working, so we're not gonna worry about that. So now that we have done it, let's go let's go to actually the Mailgun one. Right, now we need to learn how to send emails. I mean, we have already like kind of figured it out, so we don't need to worry too much about it. And I wanted the today's stream to be about that only because we have been doing the pricing thing for a long time. So what we are going to do is let's open up our utilities.py file. I think the email is in this one, sending a simple message. So this is how you send a simple email. And as we discussed in the last stream, let's close this out. As we discussed in the last stream, what I am doing is I created a Mailgun account. And this is just like the sandbox one. I have like the build with Python one also. And you get these SMTP credentials, which you basically post inside your settings.py file like this. Right, email host, and like what I've done is I have actually used the variables inside. I pasted the secret stuff inside my secret.py file, which I'm not going to show, and it has all the values, the real values, not the sandbox values. And then to send an email, we basically need to call this function of send simple message, and then we can just call this send underscore mail, and we also need to import this from Django. So this is like sending email is just a Django functionality. So what I'm going to do is I also want to send like HTML emails, right? So we need to also learn how to do that. So let me actually close all this stuff. Django emails. Let's see. Sending emails should be pretty easy. After mail thing, check for editor.js. I'll have a look. Ayush. So yeah, sending mail, and what we want, is there like an HTML? Like how do I send like a HTML message? Is there a way over here? Mail manager, email message. All right, reply to headers. All right, HTML content. Yeah, this is what we want. It can be useful to include multiple email, the classic both text and HTML versions of a message. Multiple. I just want to send in like an HTML one. How do I send just an HTML one? Email message, subject HTML content, from email to. I mean, I guess we can just use that one. Let me have a look. Django HTML emails. I'm back. Oh man, this guy is persistent. All right. So Django includes the Django method these days. No need to use multiple or directly. Uh, Django utils.html script tags, HTML message, render to string, mail template. I hope it's working. It's a 2018 answer, but it should be working. I think I'm gonna just try this one out. From Django.template.loader render to string. From Django.util strip tags. I guess we can try it out. It's a little bit old, but let's see maybe if it works. So we are gonna paste this over here, and over here what we are gonna do is we are gonna write subject, and what we also want is to whom should we send the email, and we also want what else do we want? We want maybe the HTML file name that we want to send, right? So instead of testing on stream the subject, we change this to just subject, and everybody is awesome. This is the body of the email, so we are gonna change this to maybe file name, right? Or we can write body file name so that we don't get confused, or we can write HTML file name. HTML file name, that might be a little bit more clear. So this will be our body of our email, right? What is this? HTML. Yep, and then the from is going to be this author@buildwithpython.com. The to is gonna be replaced over here. Instead of this, we have to write to. Alright, let's make sure everything is formatted properly, looking good. Yeah, so we have these two things. Then what do we need to do is we need to have this HTML message, context values, HTML message, plain message, basically from email. Alright, so let's just copy this from, and actually we can just write HTML message over here instead of doing all that stuff. HTML message, right? And inside our views.py file, we, like, for example, first, like, a couple of things we need to send, and so we can go inside our planning.md to see where we actually need to send an email, right? Keep dot. So let me just open up my notes. I'm back again. Man, yeah, don't spam, like, it's chill, but don't need to spam. So yeah, what we are gonna do is, in sending emails, so we need to actually write down, right? Mailgun sending emails. So where do we want to send emails? So a couple of places is sign up. We need to send an email when a user signs up. Then we also need to send him an email when he subscribes, right? And then we also need to send him email when he forgets the password, right? And we also need to send him an email when he unsubscribes, like saying we are sorry to see you go and stuff, right? Subscribes. Right, so these are the 4 places where we need to, and I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but these are the 4 places where we need to send him an email. So first we'll go with just sign up, because it's very, so just to try it out, what we are going to do is we are just going to go to our blog, and whenever this blog button is clicked, it's going to send an email. So we are already importing our utilities.py file, so I'm just going to add this, call this method of send mail over here. Sorry, our send simple message, and we also need I think these 2 lines over here. So therefore right now I guess I can just like copy it over here, but let's press enter so that everything looks good. Let's go back to our blog, and it needs a couple of things. So first it needs a subject, so let's just write subject as welcome to build with and actually over here, before we do that, we can actually create these variables. Subject is welcome to build with Python. Why am I pressing 9 again and again? Alright, but subject is built with Python. And now what we need to do is we need to send like an HTML message. Also we need to send like a to email. So to, for right now, I'm just gonna like be like or we can also do is to equals to request dot user dot email, right? But I guess like for right now, because we don't need it, we can just put in like my default email. So let's go to like 3@gmail.com. yeah, welcome to build with Python. So we'll just put that in for right now, and over here we're not gonna write anything for right now. Then let's go back and see what else do we need. So we need an HTML message, so we can just copy all this stuff and paste it over here. HTML message, render to string, mail template. So what we are going to do is inside our templates, inside our my site, we are going to create an email templates, so that we need we can send like different HTMLs, right? So we are going to just create a directory inside it, and we are going to call this email underscore templates. And what Mailgun does, it gives us some examples of HTML templates, so we can kind of yoink that out. Designing HTML templates. So let's just go with a very simple one. Let's just go with action email, see what's up with that. Let's do view page source. And I'm hoping does it require any CSS. It does require some CSS, but that's fine. Alright, so we can kind of just copy this. So let me just copy this and paste it inside. Let's create a new HTML file, and we are just gonna write sign up email underscore sign up. So let's create that, and I'm just gonna copy and paste this over here. But we don't have this styles.css right now, so we need to load the static files. So load static, and let's see how do we so inside our base.html we have a footer where we are importing some static files. Where is our footer? Alright, here it is. So yeah, this is the code that we use to import our static files. And at the starting, let me just check. We do, yeah, let's load static. This is fine. So here I'm just gonna write load static my site. Let's do CSS, and inside our static, where is it? CSS, and over here I'm just gonna do create a style sheet, and I'm gonna call it email style.css. right? And we are gonna copy the CSS code that we have over here, this one. Copy this and paste it inside our email underscore CSS, right? And let's put down the right link, and email style.css looks good. And over here we need to change a couple of things. So inside our email currently, remove the public thing. Where is it, the public thing? Yeah, I guess we don't need this, but I don't see why we have to remove it. Alright, it's starting to give us errors over here. Deprecate, I mean, it's fine, I guess. Alright, so let's, what's happening over here? I guess we can also remove this. Alright, so now we have all this stuff. So now we need to make some changes to it. So let's see what this looks. Please confirm your email by clicking on the link below. Blah blah blah. I mean, we can just change this later. Like, I'll just, for right now, welcome. I'll just do this off the stream, write the content of it. For right now, I'm just gonna write welcome to build with Python. Then inside this, I'm just gonna write thank you for signing up. Sign in up. And then I'm just gonna write please enroll. Enroll by clicking the button below. Alright, and then inside our button, we instead of this, we are just gonna write build with Python and confirm email address. I'm just gonna write enroll. So this is just like temporary changes, guys. Probably going to be making it a lot better, but for right now this looks okay. So this is a sign up email, right? And now let's go to our yeah, this all looks fine. So over here, this is the plain message, this is the HTML message, and instead of this we need to actually send him to his my site slash and then email templates and then sign up on, right? And what are these context values? We don't have any context values right now, so we are just going to remove that, right? And inside our email we shouldn't have any values or anything, right? Yeah, looks good. Instead of this, I mean, I'm gonna be changing all the links, but let's just go with this for right now. Yeah, looking good, guys. So I think we need to do this, and then let's go and see again what we have to do. Where is our yeah, where is our example? Then from email, the to email, mail.send mail, subject plain message, from email to HTML message equals to message. So I guess we can just do this directly. Let's just try out and do it directly for right now. So inside our utilities.py file, we also, I mean, I think this is old, because what is this mail.send? I guess we can just import this from email, join this, paste this over here. This is just to try out, guys, whether this is working or not. Then we'll do it kind of like dynamically instead of pasting and copying pasting everything over here. So I just want to see whether this is working or not for right now. Subject to, alright, so I think this is looking fine. Alright, let's format it properly. Alright, so this is it for it right now, guys. Let's go to our manage.py file. It's reloading. Let's see what's happening in the chat. A lot of stuff has happened. Maybe I'll block you if you spam. Don't you search on Google. Alright. Because your keyboard wants to press 9. Remove the, bro, it's doc type HTML. For block part officer you can use class based view. It's just 10 lines of code. Yeah, I guess. Let's go to email sign up. I mean, we don't really need this. Like, you can put whatever you want over here, to be very honest. It doesn't really matter. Alright, let's make sure that our server is running, and then let's go to our build with Python website and go to our blog page, and this should send an email for us. This is the blog page and we don't have any error. So let me just open up this email on the site so that let's actually test it out whether it's working or not. Alright, let me open up my email so that I can also show you guys. Alright guys, so let me just bring this over here. So you can see we got an email, welcome to build with Python, but we didn't get the HTML one. We just got this shitty text one. So I don't think this is working properly. Plain message, HTML message. So can we just remove this, because we don't want parameter recent list unfiltered. Let me just check this one out. Mail dot what this actually does. we go over here, mail.send mail. I think we should probably be using the simple one. Guys, it's getting too hot, so I'm gonna switch on my AC. I'm sorry if like you get a lot of noise from behind, but I need to switch on the AC. It's getting super hot. I hope the noise isn't too bad, guys, but because it's taking us like a long time to like figure all this stuff out, I think it's better to like have like AC in the behind. So yeah, email message in wrappers, email to connection attachments, headers. Let's give this a shot, I guess. So let's remove all that stuff and let's try out this new thing. I mean, we don't need this. Subject from email to email. Right now we can just write from underscore email equals to copy this. Alright, so text content, HTML content. Let's import that. Message.send. Alright, let's try this one out. So let's make sure that our server is running. You have top setup backend for that. I mean, I have already created the email backend, so we don't need to worry about that. As MSA Clutch, welcome to the stream. So let me again take it offline and see whether we have an email or not. Did I click on the blog page? I don't think I did, so let me just reload this. Alright, so yeah, this time we got an HTML text over here, and this is highlighted, like this is an important message, right? So this is good, but how do we now, like the question is, how do we add like in where is our where's our blog page? Alright, the question is, how do we add this HTML file over here, right? How do we add HTML content over here? Let me just Google this, see if we can figure this out. I mean, now we don't need all this stuff because we have figured out how to send it. Add HTML file in variable Django, maybe. It's not what we want. Include HTML file, emails, Django. Body equals to message underscore HTML. Loader. Okay, so I guess we have to use this template loader thing. So let's add that. I mean, we already have it, I guess. And now we just send mail, email message, body equals message email. Let me just copy this. Template name, my site, email templates, email sign up. We don't need a context, right? And then instead of this, we can do body equals to message underscore email. Now it's giving us an error saying we have to use email message. Man, it's just a like big mess. Okay, let's do it from scratch. I'm getting a little bit confused as to what we need to do. Let's just follow like a single instruction instead of following all these crazy instructions. So let's just follow like a single instruction. We're just gonna go with this one, right? And what do we need to import for this is these couple of things, right? And to list, subject, template name. So let's go inside our utilities.py file. Man, this is just a weird one. I don't think this will work. Let's try out another one. Oh, maybe we no, this is an email. I mean, don't they have like a simple tutorial on how to do this? Aditya, welcome. Alright, let's try out this one. HTML content equals to link the HTML file. I don't think that will work, man. Render to string. I mean, the background sound is really bad. I mean, it's getting super hot, man. That's why I decided to switch on the AC. Let's see. I mean, this guy is using SendGrid, so I don't know whether this will work. I mean, it should be a little bit simple. It's louder than your voice, can't hear you properly. No, it's fine. I'll switch off the AC in a couple of minutes, guys, if it's really bad. But because I'm trying to figure something out, it's getting very difficult to figure out whether without the AC. Should we use Mailgun? Nah. Alright, let's check this one out. Alright, message, email. Everybody is giving like a simple way to do it. To be honest, I don't think we need the CSS. I guess what we can do, guys, is I have an idea. Alright, so what we are going to do is we are going to take this HTML content. I mean, this is a very bad idea though, but let's see if it works. So we're going to take all of this and we are going to remove this CSS line, because I don't think we need it. Let's actually see how it looks without the CSS. So can I just open it up in the browser from here, show in Explorer, and let's open up this email underscore sign up and let's see how it actually looks on Chrome. Yeah, it does require the CSS. I thought the CSS is not working, so I guess
Guys, I'm not speaking anything, I'm trying to just concentrate.
mean, I'm getting like the text over here, but I'm not like really getting the pure HTML of it. So I'm guessing it's getting this like the HTML part of it, but it's not getting the CSS part of it inside. So we have to figure out how to get the CSS part of it. So what we can do is we can just like add the CSS part over here itself. So inside our static, where is our static file? Template, where is the static file? CSS email style. So we can just copy this from here, right, and paste it just like as a style tag, inbuilt style tag inside our head. Style. Yep, we can do this, I guess. I have no idea how to do this, guys. So what we are gonna do actually is I'm gonna go to my like always, like my previous thing that I built, and I'm gonna check how I did that over there. So let me actually show it to you guys also. So inside my, where did I create my, maybe inside utils or something, I don't know. Let me just see. Through subject, HTML content. I mean, the last time I didn't use this kind of a way, so it was a little bit easier. Yeah, the last time I didn't send complex message, content. The last time I didn't use send mail. I was just using the default functionality of Mailgun. Kind of stuck, guys. Let's see if somebody has a solution in the chat. Maybe they have. So guys, when I'm doing render to string, right, context values. So when I'm doing the render to string thing, it's actually sending me an email kind of like this. It's just kind of like rendering the like the string itself and just sending it to me kind of like this, right? When I'm doing this send to where is our news.py? Yeah, this is it, inside a blog. So this is the message email that we have, and when I'm doing render to string, it's just kind of sending me that raw HTML content mail template. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, render to string. That's what I was doing before, but it's like not working. Email chain sign up, because we need this style also, right? Let's see. Let's see what MSA Clutcher said. He also always has some great ideas. Dev send HTML email from email. Get headers. add save filter to HTML email template. This should work, but it's not working. Okay, so we have two ideas right now. We don't need this. Okay, let's move this also. So let's just try this out and see what it gives us. So let me go inside my email. And delete all of the previous emails. Delete. And then open up the server again. Go to blog, go to reload. So let's just see what this gives us, right? And then maybe we can also try out removing this style thing from here. Yeah, so if we remove this style thing, then I think it's giving it to us properly. So let's remove this from our email and then give it a shot. What am I doing wrong? What is the context thing they are sending over here? Text content. I don't know, guys, I'm kind of stuck. Stack Overflow says add inline CSS. Alright, let's check out this Stack Overflow. Template HTML, okay, email context, subject from email. Okay, that we have loader.get template. I think this is the one that we need, loader.get template. HTML.render. I guess we are missing these two lines. External clients do not support externally, so you have to inline it. Inline CSS manually support inline CSS. Okay, let's actually try this one out. So we have a couple of things, and template HTML, template underscore HTML equals to my site slash email template slash email signup.html HTML.render. What are we rendering over here? email context. I don't think we need this one. I also don't think we need this one. Let's see if this works. Maybe. Let's save this. I'll just read the chat in a bit, but I'm just giving this a shot. Maybe it will work. Template object has no split lines. Context, any variable which you can get in variable templates. You miss message dot. Okay, I guess I missed that. Use.py file. HTML. Alright, let's see if it works now. Template object has no attribute split lines. Read the answer fully. Alright, let's actually read it. You do not load as you have to inline it. Inline CSS. Yeah, I guess we can use inline CSS, but I've already like kind of added it over here, right? Inline CSS. I mean, I'm not currently even using like inline CSS. This is just like pure HTML, bro. This is like just HTML, so I don't think we have to worry about that part yet, the inline CSS part. I just want to see like how the heck are we supposed to like send an email. That's what I'm trying to do right now. So if we don't even, I don't think we have to even worry about this context for right now, because we are not adding any like context. So we get this template and HTML.render email context. We don't need to worry. I mean, I'm pretty sure maybe we need to add this line. I think I've already added it though. Yeah, I've already added it. It works with HTML body equals to render to string message body.html merge data. What is merge data? Your previous code is correct. Message dot alternate body HTML body text slash HTML. Yeah, I've already added that MSC clutch. I don't think like it's really working. Guys, so what I'm gonna do, because I wasted a lot of time today of you guys and mine also. Not able to figure out this HTML thing, so I'm just gonna like end the stream today. It's kind of sucking today, and I'm gonna figure this out off stream, and hopefully I'll be able to show it to you guys tomorrow, because currently I'm not able to figure it out how to send like HTML emails. So yeah guys, today was a sad stream kind of, because we struggled a lot, but that's what happens when you code. You try out different things and they like sometimes don't work and you get sad and irritated. But yeah, like I'm pretty sure when I have like a little bit of time, then I'll be able to figure it out. But anyways guys, thank you so much for joining. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this stream. My hair looks really bad, I just realized, damn it.